Feeling lost in the job search maze? Look no further. I'm Gia, your job search genie, an executive recruiter with over 20 years of experience. Here to grant you the most helpful tips and tricks to secure your dream job in 2023.
In this video, I will share tips for creating a resume with an easy-to-read format to land your dream job. As an executive recruiter, I review hundreds of resumes each day. To be honest, I scan them, as do many of the companies I work with. Select a template or format that is left aligned with a clean and simple font. Use bullets to highlight your achievements versus a paragraph format. List your job experience in reverse chronological order. It is the format most hiring managers are familiar with. Using this format will allow AI screeners and applicant tracking systems to scan your resume with ease. Avoid fancy graphics, columns, logos, tables and headshots. If you follow these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating an easy-to-read resume to land your dream job. Stay focused and determined, and success will follow.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to keep our magical talent community going strong. I'm Gia. See you next time on Job Search Genie.